Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 4 and 16 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 1, 2, and 6 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 3, 8, 2, and 0 in exact order with a first prize of 19,898 pesos. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 34, 23, 1, 32, 40, and 4 in any order with a jackpot prize of 19,906,972 pesos and 80 centavos. Sa Ultra Lotto 658, ang winning numbers ay 41, 44, 52, 8, 3, and 40 in any order with a jackpot prize of 124,387,966 pesos. At abangan natin bukas ang Mega Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot of 242 million. Maraming salamat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.